हे गाइस, दिस इज सुहास पड़मलकर। वेलकम टू टुडेज वीकली मार्केट अपडेट। आप सबका आपके अपने लाइफ सेलर सुहास चैनल में स्वागत है। गाइस, वी हैव विटनेस्ड लॉट ऑफ volatility in the Indian market in last week. Since 9th February, almost every day we have witnessed gap up and gap down. Last Friday's fall, nobody would have imagined we may fall to such extent that everything happened because of IT sector stocks sell-off in American market on Thursday, followed by huge sell-off in Indian market in the IT sector. So mainly IT sector contributed for Nifty fall on Friday. So let us see how was the performance of Indian market with respect to global market in last week and what signals we are getting for the next week. So that everything we are going to discuss in this video. Presently, where Nifty able to close 25,500 level. This level is very much crucial for Nifty because from same level Nifty has taken resistance last time, and now it seems to be Nifty is going to take support at this level. We are going to discuss everything in this video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Before moving ahead, let me give disclaimer. Whatever we are going to discuss in this video, that is just for education and information purpose only. Anyway, there is no buy or sell recommendation. As a trader, it is your responsibility to do your own research and analysis or consult your financial advisor before entering into any trade. So, without wasting time, let's dive in. So, in today's weekly market update, we are going to see performance of the world market, commodities, cryptocurrencies, Indian market, and Indian sectoral indices. For this, we are going to follow our top-down approach to find out the best performing sector. So, majorly, as you know, top-down approach consists of four steps. First step is the satellite view where we are going to see performance of the world market. Second step in this is a helicopter view where we are going to see Indian major indices performance. Third step in this approach is aerial view where we are going to see performance of the different sectors from the Indian market. And the fourth step in this top down approach is microscopic view where once we identify the performing sector, we normally then go into that sector and find out the best performing stocks from this sector. So this is how this approach help us to drill down to selective stocks from the performing sector. And once we able to do this, then there is a more probability or more chances that these stocks will give us more profitable trades. So the main aspect from this approach one should remember is that the main indices like Nifty and Sensex carries 40% weightage. Sectoral indices carries 40% weightage and 20% goes to only selection of the stocks. So one should remember finding the best performing sector is the main thing in our technical analysis. So first one is satellite view, that is we are going to see global market performance. Dow Jones monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So there is no concern at all in Dow Jones. S&P 500 monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So little bit sideways market in short term and medium term trend. Nasdaq monthly RSI above 60, daily between 40 60. So same like S&P 500, Nasdaq is also short term and medium term trend is sideways. FTSE UK, all three RSI above 60, so clearly it is a trending market, no worry at all. DAX Germany, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40 60. So short term and medium term of DAX Germany is sideways. Euro Stocks 50, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. Clearly it is also trending market. Nikkei Japan, all three RSI above 60, no worry at all, very good trending market. CAC France, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60, and that too at nearby to 60 level. Shanghai Composite China, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So little bit short term trend is sideways. Kospi Korea, all three RSI above 60, no worry at all, clearly one side trending market. Hang Seng Hong Kong, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. So short term medium term trend is sideways. Taiwan, all three RSI above 60, clearly momentum in this market. So let us see commodities performance. Gold, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So little bit correction in gold in short term trend. Silver, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So short term trend also is in correction. Copper futures, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. No worry. Crude, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly between 40-60. US dollar index, all three RSI between 40-60. So clearly it is a sideways. Let us see performance of the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, monthly RSI between 40-60, daily and weekly RSI below 40. So clearly Bitcoin is in bearish territory in short term and medium term trend. Ethereum, same like Bitcoin, monthly RSI between 40-60, daily weekly below 40 level. So clearly short term and medium term trend of Ethereum is bearish. So let us see now helicopter view, that is performance of the Indian major indices. Nifty 50, monthly RSI above 60, daily weekly RSI between 40-60. So clearly we can notice short term and medium term trend of Nifty 50 is sideways. If you notice here, Nifty is taking, this is the resistance, previous resistance for Nifty, and that we have to wait and watch now in next week whether Nifty respect this support or it is breaking this support. So if it respect this support, then there is a chances Nifty can bounce back from this level, because this level will act as a CIP, change in polarity, for the Nifty. But still there is no confirmation. We have to wait and watch in the next week whether Nifty respect this level or not. My view on Nifty is sideways. I don't see any reason Nifty will break previous all-time high or break our budget day low, because there is no solid support for the Nifty to break either down or up. So unless and until Nifty is trading between this level, downside is around 24,900 and top side is 26,300. So we have to make our views sideways and trade accordingly. Once Nifty breaks this level, then we can change our view. Sensex, just like Nifty, monthly, weekly and daily, all three RSI between 40-60. So little bit slowdown in momentum, and clearly it is showing sideways market, and same we can see from the chart also. So let us see third step, that is performance of the Indian major sectoral indices. Nifty Bank, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. So this is one of the sector still it is showing momentum in Indian market. Nifty Fin Services, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60. But again, Fin Services is also showing good momentum with respect to Nifty 50 fall in last week. These sectors are not falling that much. Nifty PSU Bank, again same, monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily near 60. So this is also one of the best sector in momentum. Nifty Auto monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily between 40-60, but again near to 60 level. So again this is also one of the best sector in momentum. Nifty Metal monthly weekly RSI above 60, daily RSI between 40-60. This sector was in great momentum for last couple of months. So we have to keep these sectors on our radar. Nifty Pharma monthly, weekly, daily, all three RSI between 40-60. Clearly, it is a sideways market. Nifty IT monthly RSI between 40-60. Daily and weekly RSI is less than 40. So clearly, IT sector index is in bearish territory in short term and medium term trend. Nifty FMCG monthly RSI between 40-60. Weekly has crossed 40 level towards down and daily between 40-60. So clearly FMCG is giving different signals on different charts. So no clarity about direction in the FMCG sector. Nifty consumption, all three RSI trading between 40-60, RSI level between 40-60. So clearly it is a sideways market. Nifty Energy, again all three RSI between 40-60. So it is also sideways market. Nifty Reality, here also all three RSI between 40-60. So it is also a sideways market. So what is the conclusion of our analysis? Here in this table, I have shown the performance of the global indices. We can notice last week little bit dent in weekly charts of global indices. Yellow cells are increasing. So little bit concern, but overall still global markets are showing great momentum because long-term charts, that is monthly charts, are still trading above RSI 60 level. So that is very good for the global market. So overall global market, no worry. Let us look at the Indian market analysis summary. This table shows our Indian major indices and sectoral indices performance. So for last couple of weeks, we are witnessing our market performance is not up to the global market performance. And clearly we can see from this table, our yellow cells are increasing. Our most of the sectoral indices, monthly and weekly charts are showing sideways to bearish side movement. Only as we have seen, metal, auto, fin services, PSU bank, little bit infra and manufacturing, these sectors are showing little bit good performance than Nifty 50 performance. That is good for the Indian market. But overall, our Indian market view is sideways to bearish. There is no support for Indian market to break previous all-time high. So unless and until our Nifty is not breaking previous all-time high, we should not make our view bullish on Indian market. So with respect to present scenarios, my view on Indian market is sideways to bearish side. So from this analysis, we are getting outperformance from the metal, PSU bank, fin services, auto, little bit infra and manufacturing. These are the sectors whose performance is better than Nifty 50 performance in last week. So we have witnessed underperformance in different sectors like pharma, realty, energy, FMCG, defense, IT. These sectors are dragging Nifty down. So this is how this top-down approach help us to identify the best performing sector, worst performing sector. And once we know the performance of the sectors, then it is very easy for us to go into that sector and find out the best performing stocks. Trading is a probability game, and that is how if our selected stock gets support from the sectoral indices as well as Nifty and Sensex, then there is a more chance our selected stock will perform better. There is more probability we will get profitable trades. So this is what for the today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do comment below. जल्दी ही मिलेंगे ऐसे ही नए ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आई एम सुहास पड़मलकर signing off for the day. Take care of yourself and your family. Till then, good luck and good trading. Thank you.